Hey guys, this is Stuart from SaleHoo, and today I'm going to be telling you how top sellers find hot products online. So, starting an online business is an exciting thing, but the problem that most new sellers run into is, what do I sell online? There are many product options and a lot of other competitive sellers. So where do you start? How do the top sellers make their 6 or 7 figure incomes? How can you achieve that and follow your dreams of online selling? And while big companies have whole departments dedicated to just finding the right products to sell, most online sellers just do it all themselves. All you really need is a good business sense and some online tools, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use those. So the name of the game here is finding a hot product that's profitable. Now actually a lot of top sellers advise taking a step back and looking at your own interests. What do you like to do? Is there a product that you could sell that relates to your own interests? It actually makes business a lot easier and more enjoyable in the long run. Now on the flip side of that, there are a lot of sellers who ignore that completely and just look at the market. What's selling right now? What are the hottest trends? What will people buy? So once you have an idea of the product or market that you want to go into, you're going to want to look at the best seller lists on sites like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. That way you can hone in on what's popular right now. Top sellers also look at websites like Facebook, Instagram. What are people talking about? What are people sharing with their friends about? What are people hashtagging? Now, another way to look at different products that are popular or that people are looking up is to do keyword searches. Things like Google Trends, that's a great tool you can use to see what keywords people are typing in. What are people searching? Maybe they're searching more for baby carrier instead of baby wrap, for example. Now, Google Trends shows you what people are searching and how it goes up and down, how that spike works. So if we go over here to Google Trends, and I'm going to see the popularity of the search baby carrier. And see, this gives me the past year of the rise and falls in searches of baby carrier. Now, this seems like a pretty steady market here. Now, if I compare that to, let's see, you go up to the compare button and you type in your search term. So I'm going to do baby wrap. Now from this chart, we can see that the search baby carrier is much more popular than the search baby wrap. Again, the search baby wrap is still steady, but it's definitely a lower interest than the baby wrap search. If you have a Google AdWords account, you can use Google's keyword planner, as well as our own Traffic Travis. Those will help you do keyword searches. Now let's talk about product guidelines. While there's no set specific guidelines, there are some checklists that you can run your product through to get rid of some ideas, to narrow down your options a bit more. This little checklist can help make your business more successful in the long run. Some of the questions I use are, is the product robust and easy to ship? Is the retail price within the sweet spot of $15 to $200? Is it small and lightweight? Is it seasonal? Is it easy to source locally? And is it in a trending, stable, or growing market? The general guideline is that an ideal product to resell online has few moving parts, it can fit inside a shoebox, it has a 20 to 40% profit margin across all seasons, and its sale price is between $15 and $200. Now, there are exceptions, and profit margins of 100% are not uncommon. You can also do more seasonal products like Halloween costumes, but you're going to want to have another product as well to keep you floating throughout the rest of the year. Some other important questions to ask are, who are your potential customers? How large is your potential market? And what are your potential sales and profit margins? So, let's choose a product that will sell and make us money. SaleHoo removes the guesswork from finding a hot product with its market research tool, SaleHoo Labs. With this tool, you can look at the sell-through rate, the average price, and the competition of thousands of different items. You can select a product type and browse through the options, altering the sell-through rate, average price, and competition to find the perfect product. So I'm going to go back to our baby carrier topic that we were talking about earlier to demonstrate SaleHoo Labs. First, select the baby product category, set the sell-through rate to at least 30%, and set an average price of between $0 and $60. We'll select all competition levels to see what's out there. So if you search that, you'll get 2 types of baby wraps, the Boba Baby Wrap Gray and the Sling Baby. Sling Baby, that's an interesting name. Then you can select both of the products to compare them. It'll show you their sell-through rate, average listings, and competition on eBay. You'll get a chart that looks like this. Based on this information, the Boba Baby Wrap Gray looks like a better option here. With a sell-through rate of 70% and only 100 listings on eBay, compared to like $30,000 for the Sling Baby, and a higher average sale price, the Boba Baby Wrap Gray has everything going for it. Take that, Sling Baby. You can then click on the product for more information on suppliers and whether they offer wholesale and drop shipping, where they're located, minimum orders, and shipping and tax details. From there, you can contact the suppliers directly to either buy wholesale stock or set up your dropshipping business. There's also the option to browse current listings on eBay to see what the competition's doing. And finally, with SaleHoo Labs, you can save products that you're interested in and save keywords that you want to return to. You can even set up email alerts for your saved searches. SaleHoo Labs also offers information about trending products on eBay. But just remember, as soon as a product's trending, there's going to be sellers getting all over it. So what you're going to want to do is maybe think of products that are similar to it, products that could complement it in a way that maybe other sellers didn't think of. Now here's a top seller tip: upselling and cross-selling. With these tactics, top sellers can increase their sales considerably. So first is upselling. To use a classic fast food example, it's like saying, do you want the half-pound burger instead of the quarter-pound burger? It's like suggesting an upgrade to their product. That way it's newer, it's better quality, or it'll last them longer. And give you a couple bucks in the end too. So let's go back to our baby example here. Let's say you're already selling the Fisher-Price Newborn Rock and Play Sleeper. This one right here. And while it may be a great product to sell, you could use SaleHoo Labs to find products to upsell your customers. For example, the Graco Pack and Play Playard right here in the top right corner has an average sale price of $200 and has a lot more features than the basic sleeper we were just looking at. Or the Graco Simple Sway Swing. It's more affordable at only $110, but they'd earn you about $40 to $130 more from the same customer that's already going to buy from you. So now on to cross-selling. Cross-selling is like saying, would you like fries with that? Going back to our burger analogy earlier. So you know that this customer is already buying for a baby. Maybe they could also buy baby booties, or a baby bottle, or a baby bonnet. You're getting other products that go with the product they're originally going to buy from you. Using SaleHoo Labs, we can find a product for cross-selling the same way we did before. Here I set the sell rate to 30% with an average sale price of between $0 and $100, and low to medium competition. And this brings up a lot of great products for a customer who's already in the market for baby items. Once you found a product that you're interested in, you can just click on it and bring up more information. For example, this piano, gym, kick and play area for a baby, it's from a trusted brand, Fisher-Price. It's got a sell rate of 70% and only medium competition. It looks like the kind of thing new parents or grandparents might buy if they're already buying a baby sling, especially if the average sale price is only like $54. You would then need to apply the same market research skills on this product to make sure it was a good fit to cross-sell to your customers. Upselling and cross-selling items is generally easier than starting up a whole new niche. Top seller tip number 2, private labeling. If you already have some experience selling online, then creating a private label or brand is definitely something worth considering. Private labeling is placing your own brand or label on a product made by a third-party manufacturer, and then selling it on your own website. Searching for branded products in popular categories is a great way to come up with products for private labeling. You can also search for potential private label products through SaleHoo. Let's try searching kitchen and dining for products with a 35% sell rate from $0 to $60 and low to medium competition. Out of those options, the Totally Bamboo 3-piece cutting board set looks like it's got potential for private labeling. It's a simple, trendy product that will be easy to add your own personal brand to. All you would need to do is click on the product and then contact the potential supplier to see if labeling is an option. Some things to think about before deciding on a private label product are: is a major brand currently dominating the market? Is the status quo product selling online? How can you add value to this product? Packaging, branding, marketing? Private labeling adds value to products and allows you to experiment with your own brand. With lower minimum order quantities and services like Fulfillment by Amazon, private labeling is becoming more accessible to online sellers. Now let's talk finding a supplier for your product. Once you've chosen that hot product to sell online, you need a reliable supplier. With SaleHoo Labs, you can find a list of suppliers for any product with just one click. You can get contact information, how long each business has been in business, how long they've been with SaleHoo, and there's basic company and product information for each supplier. Now, the best way to choose a supplier is to contact them directly and develop a relationship. Be friendly with them. Be professional in your communication to suppliers to earn their trust. Top sellers recommend contacting as many suppliers as possible to negotiate the best deal. So you've chosen your hot topic and have a list of suppliers, but how do you know the suppliers are reliable? To reduce the risk of a new supplier, try ordering a sample product to see if they meet your standards in shipping time and in quality. If the supplier is based in a country that speaks a language you know, get on the phone with a spokesperson. You can report and clarify any issues and ask them for a list of references. SaleHoo vets all the suppliers in its directory, which adds another layer of protection. Here are a few things to establish before you make your first big order. Do they offer wholesale and drop shipping? What is the sample price? What is the product price? What is the minimum order quantity? What's their turnaround time for shipping? What do they have in their inventory? What hidden fees do they have? Once you have a hot product and a reliable supplier, you are ready to sell online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'll personally answer any questions you have. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.